Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add some custom text in event page in Elementor WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in event page and this is our default template. So we are going to add some text, section or column or container by using the plus add-on for Elementor Pro plugin. We are using Pro plugin. Now go to plugin section. So we are using the plus add-on for Elementor Pro version. On left side you see the plus setting and then you see plus widget, so click on it. Then scroll down at bottom section. You see plus extra and then you see display condition. So enable this option and then click on save. Now settings saved. Go to event page again. So we cannot edit this page, but using plugin we are going to display section. We are going to add section in header section in Elementor. Now you see Elementor header. Go to Elementor header. Now you see information. So we are going to display this information on event page. Now you see edit container, so click on it. And then we are in layout style advanced, so click on advanced and then scroll down. You see plus extra display condition, so click on it. Now you see display condition, so enable this option and then you see display when. Drop down, select all rules are true and then you see rules, so click on it. Now you see drop down, you can select archive and then you see post type. Now select and then you see is or is not. Now select is. So display this section on event post type and then you see plus. Now click on it. Now you see event, so click on it and then click on update. Now update done. Go to event page again and refresh the page. Now you see zoom detail on event page only. Go to another page. You don't see any zoom detail. We added some information below header and then applied display condition using Pro plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.